I have a 32-year-old software engineer now. 32-year-old had a heart attack a month ago.
बिल्कुल सही है.
ठीक है?
This is what's happening to people.
Yeah, I met with him 2 days ago when I was in Karachi. He is completely out of his depth on how to deal with it. He has no clue. He's like, sir,
किसी ने सिखाया नहीं है schools और colleges में.
नींद नहीं आ रही, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. And he was talking so fast, I could see he was a complete anxiety disorder.
Of course, hyper energy.
मैंने बोला भाई तू पहले आके 3 दिन यहाँ पे रह. Do this course. By the way, he's going to come and do this course. He's going to live here. I said you need to gain tools to deal with what you're going through. Your blood pressure medicine and your cholesterol medicine and your blood thinner is not going to help you deal with what's inside. सही है ना? So I said, देखो, it's not the longevity of life, it's the quality of life you need to lead. And these pills that you're taking, which I was also taking after my heart attack for 2 years, which I dumped in the basket, I said, they're not going to improve your quality of life. This might just prolong the longevity. But quality to nazar aa raha hai ki you're completely in disorder right now. Right? And you will not be able to get out of this. He says, you're absolutely right. I have no idea what to do in my life.
Because Talha, nobody's taught anybody in school, not Pakistan, all over the world, nobody teaches us in schools and colleges the connection between stress and health. Nobody's ever taught this. And everybody says, don't be angry, don't be jealous, don't be depressed. Nobody teaches us how. So this is what...
And we've been taught to soldier on. Especially as
men.
Soldier on. So what happened to me after the plane crash, I had to soldier on. उसका रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि आज मुझे हर डॉक्टर ये कह रहा है, not the allopathic doctor, nothing against them, but they work on a different frequency. But जो actual रूह की frequency पे काम कर रहे हैं, 3 लोगों से मैं मिल चुका हूँ. तीनों ने मुझे बोला, भाई तेरा मसला तेरा unresolved grief है, which you haven't processed for 11 years. Which I thought was, हम तो गुजर गए भाई, soldier हैं हम तो, we're moving on, we're working, we built a house, we built a family, तो all good and fine and dandy. Hell no, man. Patak, it manifested one night, one afternoon in terms of a heart attack, and 4 years it put your life into a tailspin.
But how to know? I think that's the first thing. ना सबसे पहले तो the basic step is कि यार आपको पता तो हो ना कि I have this issue.
देखिए, so I immediately developed an issue. 2012 में ये tragedy हुई. Immediately I developed an issue a month later. But चूंकि मैं young था और unaware था, I did not know what that issue was. That issue was anxiety disorder. Now the question is कि why we want to do this in corporate life, right? गुफ्तगू वहाँ से start हुई थी. Because जो मेरे 100 engineers हैं इस वक्त, 22 साल के बच्चे हैं, they've all done this course by the way. मैंने mandatory किया हुआ अपनी company में कि everybody who joins my company will first go through her 5-day happiness course. तो जब वो पहला बैच दूसरा बैच निकला तो पता चला हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में कोई मसला है. कोई सिंगल पेरेंट है, किसी का अब्यूसिव फादर है. So we gave them the tools how to deal with it. Nobody gives the tools how to deal with it.